Italy is a dream come true for any traveler. Picture this, wandering through the ancient streets of Rome, where every corner reveals a piece of history, from the majestic Colosseum to the enchanting Trevi Fountain. Savoring gelato as you stroll, you'll quickly learn that the best way to experience Italy is through its food. In Florence, the art of pasta making comes alive, and the view from Piazzale Michelangelo is simply breathtaking. Then, there's the charm of Venice, with its winding canals and vibrant Burano streets, where every moment feels like a postcard. Don't miss the stunning hikes in Cinque Terre, where colorful villages cling to the cliffs above the sparkling sea. As you indulge in Naples' world-famous pizza, you'll realize that each region has its own unique flavor and culture. From the Amalfi Coast's cliffside vistas to Milan's fashion-forward streets, Italy is a tapestry of unforgettable experiences waiting to be explored.